Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to disable your webcam on laptop, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is simply click on your start icon here. Now here you have to search for device manager. Here it is. Now when you are on device manager, you can first you can check your webcam that if it's working properly, or if it's not working, then you can do is from here you can find camera option. If there is any webcam attached with your PC or your laptop, or there is inbuilt camera on your laptop screen, then you can find the camera option from here, like in this section, camera option. For example, if I'm going with this drive here. Now for example, if you want to delete it, you have to simply click on this this arrow icon to expand that section. Now you can find your webcam model or the device. Now right click on it and you can find this uninstall device, or you can find the disable option here. Like, let me show you here. For example, this one here, you can find the disable device. So you can probably find, absolutely actually find this disable device option, and once you click on it, you will be able to disable your camera or your webcam that is attached with your laptop. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.